This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox thumbnails for YouTube videos. We'll start by understanding the ideal dimensions, which are 1280 by 720 pixels, a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Then, we'll dive into essential software and discover key elements that make a thumbnail truly clickable. My goal is to help you create eye-catching visuals that significantly boost your video's performance and attract more viewers to your content. To create stunning Roblox thumbnails, you'll need a few essential tools. First, utilize Roblox Studio to capture high-quality in-game screenshots, ensuring your main subject is well-lit and framed. Next, employ image editing software like Adobe Photoshop or a free alternative such as GIMP for detailed manipulation. These programs allow you to add text, effects, and refine your visuals, making your thumbnail pop and stand out from the crowd. Effective thumbnail design hinges on several key principles. Always focus on a clear, central subject that immediately grabs attention. Use vibrant colors and strong contrast to make your elements pop, ensuring readability even on small screens. Incorporate concise, readable text with a bold font and a clear outline to convey your video's message. Remember, your thumbnail should tell a story and entice viewers to click in just a few seconds. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to export and upload. Save your thumbnail in a high-quality format like PNG or JPG, ensuring the file size is under 2 megabytes for YouTube. Always double-check the dimensions, 1280 by 720 pixels. Finally, test different designs and analyze their performance. Consistent branding and continuous improvement are key to attracting more viewers and growing your channel effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.